Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some of the biggest car maintenance myths that won't seem to go away. Now, we've all heard those car tips that get passed around in today's video. I'll be breaking down 7 common myths about car maintenance that many people still believe and showing you what's true. So, whether you're new to car care or have been around cars for years, stick around to ensure you're not falling for any of these misconceptions. Myth 1. Changing the air filter significantly boosts engine power. Truth. While a clean air filter improves airflow to the engine, the power increase is often minor and barely noticeable unless the filter is heavily clogged. Most drivers won't see a major difference in engine power from just changing the air filter. Myth 2. Shifting to neutral at traffic lights saves. Full truth. Modern cars are designed to save fuel efficiently, and keeping the car in drive doesn't consume much extra fuel during a short stop. Constantly shifting between drive and neutral can add unnecessary wear to the transmission. Myth 3. Automatic cars don't need to be warmed up before driving. Truth. Although many newer cars may not require long warm-ups, starting the car and letting it run for a few seconds before driving allows the oil to reach all parts of the engine, especially in cold weather, ensuring smooth performance. Myth 4. Electric cars require no mechanical maintenance. Truth. Electric cars do have fewer moving parts, but they still require regular maintenance for brake systems, tires, and cooling systems. Routine maintenance is essential for electric vehicles to ensure long-term battery performance. Myth 5. The same tires can be used year-round. Truth. Tires are made for specific seasons. Summer tires aren't suitable for snow, and winter tires aren't ideal for hot roads, as each type is designed for different conditions. Using the right tires for each season improves safety and reduces wear. Myth 6. Premium fuel will boost your car's power. In all cases. Truth. Not all cars need high-octane fuel. Some engines are designed to run on regular gas, and using premium fuel doesn't necessarily increase power. In many cases, it's just an unnecessary expense. Myth 7. A louder engine means better performance. A loud engine doesn't always indicate power. Unusual or loud noises are often a sign of mechanical issues and should be checked by a professional immediately. Alright, that's it for today's video. I hope we've helped clear up some of these common car maintenance myths and maybe even saved you a bit of time, money, or worrying. Remember, when it comes to taking care of your car, knowing what's real and what's just a myth can make a big difference. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe if you haven't already. And if there are any other car myths you want me to break down, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.